Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. For those that are new to the channel, my name is Rick and I teach people how to make money online with affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you simply partner with a validated product and you earn commissions by referring traffic. One of the great things about affiliate marketing is you don't have to worry about fulfillment, customer service, or creating any of the products yourself. I help people do this for free on my channel and I would really appreciate it if you took this moment to scroll down and subscribe to the community. This helps the content keep coming, and if you consume the information and you like what you hear, I would also consider leaving me a like, and if you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment. Alright, so let's get into it. One of the best things about marketing on the web is that there are so many different strategies and techniques you can employ to get the word out about your product or service. There are options at nearly all price levels and plenty of variety when it comes to whether your ads are written or recorded. One of the most popular choices when it comes to affiliate marketing is solo ads. If you're on this video, I'll take it you know what solo ads are, but if you don't, solo ads are advertisements on other people's email lists. And this is where your product or service is the only thing being advertised in this email. These ads have links to drive traffic to through your website or your funnel. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm a huge advocate of organic strategies. So I utilize platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. I believe this is the best way to get started with affiliate marketing, but there are also paid ad opportunities. With that being said, one of the biggest questions I get asked on a daily basis is where can I find the most cost-effective but also high-quality solo ads? Well, today I have an answer for you, and that answer is by utilizing Udimi but with a twist. So let's hop over to my laptop and I'll show you exactly how. And welcome back to the training, guys. What I'm going to show you is not an exact science. It will take a little bit of research, but it shouldn't take you too much time. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate over to udimi.com. Udimi is one of the biggest platforms for solo ad vendors, and this is where we're going to find some of the best people. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to udimi.com and then we're going to click on Find Sellers, which is located here. You'll be giving a few different options, but you don't need to worry about these too much. What you want to do is figure out your ideal cost per click. Usually I keep it about 55, but what you'll find is with this hack that you'll end up finding these solo ad clicks for cheaper. So once we've done that, we also want to click on the percentage of people that have actually reported that they've got sales from these vendors. So 40 and 50% are being really, really high. When you're normally dealing with solo ads, you can usually get between 30 and 40%. I like to keep things really high quality. So what I do is I click on 40%. So this brings in every people 40%. This brings in everyone 40% and over. So I can already see that there's a couple of people here that I can target. And the way we do this effectively is by utilizing Facebook. So I can see here that this seller, Glenn, has really good platform. He's about 40 cents per click. He's had 41% of people actually report that they've got sales from his solo ads. And if you scroll down and just have a little bit of a look on his platform, the latest report in terms of someone reporting that they got sales was as early as today, the 2nd of December. So here we are on this page, and what you're probably thinking is, Rick, how do I get this cheaper? These are fixed prices. This is done for Udimi. And the answer is this is simple business, right? Udimi obviously charge the solo ad vendor to advertise on the platform, and they charge us a little bit more in order to buy the solo ads. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to cut out the middleman. We're going to use some old school negotiation tactics, and we're simply going to find the solo ad vendors on Facebook themselves. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Facebook. You're going to find a group called Solo Ad Vendors, or Solo Ad Testimonials, sorry. And you're going to join this group. So within this group are solo ad vendors and also people that have actually left testimonials for these solo ad vendors. And what you'll find is a lot of the solo ad vendors actually operate within this platform. So once you're given access to the group, all you simply do is good old-fashioned search. Just take the person that you want to search for, head over to the search bar here, and search for them. As you can see, Glenn is here. He is on Facebook. He's actually offering a deal where he's doing 30 cents per click. So it's obviously giving you a considerable saving depending on how many clicks you're offering to buy. So what I would do is I'll simply reach out to these solo ad vendors, negotiate a price, or they may have a fixed price, or they already have a funnel which they have prices on there, but it obviously costs them a lot. It's obviously a lot more cost effective to reach out directly. But you can do this for many solo ad vendors. It's not just one. So let's go back and I'll show you another example. We have Wilfred here. Again, simply go back, enter the solo ad vendor's name into the search, and you'll see someone else has used them I know these ones are a little bit old, but what you could do is just have a bit of a click, have a bit of a search around. I can see that he's here. I found him on Facebook. He is running a business, guys. You won't have to worry about getting scolded by reaching out to these people directly. At the end of the day, it's just business. All you're going to be doing is simply reaching out to these people, negotiating a price, and you're going to have more cost-effective solo ads. But that's it, guys. Like I said, there's not much science to this. You're simply going to be doing a little bit of research. But that time that you take to actually reach out and personally actually make a custom offer or see what they're offering in terms of a deal, this will save you a lot in the long term. That's it for now, and on my next video I'm going to show you a Facebook ad strategy that I'm currently using in order to generate leads for as little as $2. But until then, I hope to speak to you soon, and again, please scroll down and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, simply comment or reach out to me via email.